In this session, we will discuss the problem number 6, that is a set square problem. Here the question is like this. A 30 degree 60 degree set square of 60 mm longest side is so kept such that the longest side is in HP, making an angle of 30 degree with VP. The set square itself is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Draw the projections of this set square. Okay, coming to the thing, they given the set square shape like a triangle. Set square is a triangle like, and they given the angle and the longest side they given, and it is resting on HP. The conditions and all we discussed in the previous class, that is the previous video. When the problem they given, we need to divide the data for 3 steps. Okay, first step is resting condition. We need to check. In the resting condition, they given it is resting on HP on its one of its longest side. The longest side they given 60 mm. So we need to take the 60 mm on the left side, and the line should be perpendicular to XY line. That is, and it should be drawn on a horizontal plane because it is resting on HP they given. And next step, second step. In second step, we need to check the surface inclination or lamina inclination. In this case, they given set square is itself is inclined to HP at 45 degree. That means set square nothing but surface, no? So second step we need to take the 45 degree and we need to make inclination. And last step they given the question, the longest side is resting, that is inclined to VP. The longest side is resting, that is 60 mm line is there, that is inclined to VP they given. That's why in the last step we will incline to VP, we will draw 30 degree line and the longest side should be kept on that 30 degree line. Okay, here we go. We will start first 60 mm longest side they given resting on HP. That's why 6 boxes we need to count, and 60 mm the longest side is taken. The naming we can give it as A and B, and the coming to the dimension and the length of the line as they given 60, we will draw it. Next, they given 30 degree 60 degree set square. We know that to construct the triangle we need data, like if we have a length of all the 3 edges we can construct the data, or if we have one length means one edge length and 2 angles we can construct. Like this we can construct the triangle with the different data. But here they given 2 angles and 1 length is drawn, and remaining angles they given 30 degree and 60 degree. They not mention which side you take 30 degree and which side to take 60 degree. We can take any side, 30 degree or 60 degree, or here 30 degree and here 60 degree. Bottom point I will take the 60 degree. You mark it and draw a line from the B to the 60 degree line, and gently normal line you draw it. Same way go to the point A, and here we will take the remaining, that is a 30 degree, and I will draw the line passing through that 30 degree, and where it will intersect, that will be our the last, that is the third point C, and remaining this extra projections we can erase it, and then join C to A with a visible line and C to B. And this will be 60 degree and this is 30 degree. So like this, the set square of 30 degree 60 degree having longest side is resting on HP. And to get the front view, draw the projections from all these corners to the XY line, perpendicular projections. And here we'll get the front view. Front views look like a straight line, and join this with a visible line. And naming, we are seeing from the bottom, the B can be seen, A is hidden, that's why here B dash of A dash, and this will be C dash. The first step is finished. And second step, the set square itself is inclined to HP at 45 degree. So we can take the resting condition is the longest side. So that's why make the longest side B dash of A dash on the XY line, and then 45 degree line we need to draw. I told that 45 degree line easily we can draw. Take two opposite corners passing through that. If you draw the line, it will become 45 degree. And then measure the length from the front view, that is B dash of A dash to C dash. Take the length and take B dash of A dash center and draw the arc. And this will be the C dash, and join C dash to B dash of A dash with the visible line. Okay. Now we made it surface, or that nothing but the set square itself is inclined to HP at 45 degree. Now to get the second step, top view, draw the projections from the front view, vertical projections, and from the top view, horizontal projections to get the points. That is from here B and B dash. From the front view we will get the B, and A and here A dash we will get the A. Same way C, and here from the front view C dash we will get the C. Then join all the points A to B, B to C, and C to A. Okay. Now second step is finished. Now coming to the last step. So here the longest side is AB. This AB is inclined to VP at 30 degree they give us. So that's why mark the point here and measure 30 degree. Mark the point and measure 30 degree. Passing through that, draw a normal line. 30 degree is finished. And now on this 30 degree line, this longest side should be kept and this one should be redrawn over here. So I will mark the A here. Don't mark near to the XY line, because the C, whatever the drawings in the top view, should not cross the XY line. That's why it should be below XY line. That's why I kept some distance and I taken A here, and then A to B, measure it and take A center and draw the arc, and we will get B is here. Then join this line A to B. After that B to C, measure it and then take B center, draw the arc. Then A to C, measure it, take A center and draw the arc. And now where it will intersect, that will be the C. Now join it, C to B and then C to A. Now the final step, top view is finished. To get the front view, from the top view, draw the vertical projections to the XY line from A, and A dash is coming along the XY line, so that's why A dash. Here A dash and A. Now coming to the B, B dash is also on the XY line, so we will get B dash. And to get the C dash, we need to draw the horizontal projections from the front view and vertical projection from the top view, and the intersection point will be C dash. Now join A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, and back to A dash. So like this we can solve this problem. The first step, we taken the resting condition is longest side is resting, so that's why we kept the longest side on the left side and 30 degrees 60 degree set square. And next we got the front view. Next after that we made surface, that is set square is inclined 45 degree to HP. After that we got the top view, and from the top view we need to make the longest side is inclined to VP. That's why we taken the 30 degree line, and here we place this longest side AB on the 30 degree line, and after that final front view we got it.